By 2010, CNC Performance Engineering had become a good vendor for Castle Metals Charlotte. So good, in fact, that we sent a couple trucks loaded with stock some 60 miles each day to CNC in Lincolnton, North Carolina. Because we are a metal supplier, not a machine shop, we tap CNC's capabilities to perform value-added preliminary machining work as a toolbox solution for one of our biggest OEM customers. CNC helped us to provide this first-step machining process to our customer, who preferred themselves to focus on their detailed final machining work rather than preliminary operations. Castle, as their solutions provider, had CNC putting handling holes in large diameter aluminum so that our customer could put handling straps through them. When the time came for CNC to renew the lease at its Lincolnton location, Jim Marshall suggested Chris Knockman, owner of CNC, instead move his operation into the back of the Castle Charlotte facility. CNC would benefit because there was more manufacturing activity in the Charlotte area than in Lincolnton, while in turn Castle would benefit from quicker turnaround and more streamlined and less costly logistics for preliminary machine work. CNC made the move to Castle in June 2010. Since then, both companies have experienced significant growth thanks to this atypical yet advantageous customer-vendor relationship. CNC is a job shop that specializes in machining exotic materials such as titanium, magnesium, stainless steel, and tool steel. The shop has customers in a wide range of markets, including agriculture, military, industrial equipment, and performance racing. By working closely with CNC, Castle could provide precisely the solution its customers desired while enabling them to streamline their supply chain by cutting just one purchase order for the pre-machined stock they needed. Having CNC on site provides even more benefits. Instead of trucking stock across town, Castle now delivers material via forklift to CNC. This relationship has saved Castle tremendously in terms of delivery times, transportation costs, while streamlining communication between the two companies. Castle has won well over $2 million in additional business at a healthy 40% gross profit thanks to the first step machining service that CNC provides. The percentage of machining CNC performs with this first step service varies according to the customer's requirements. Some customers require just basic turning or facing operations, while others might ask for as much as 75% of the machining work for a given component to be completed. Regardless of the amount of machining required, CNC still is able to deliver tight tolerances, sometimes down to 3/10,000ths of an inch. A good example of this type of work would be compressor shafts, in which our customer asks only for the turning work to be done so they themselves can focus on machining only the rotors and flutes in-house. Castle currently has 6 customers using this first step machining solution, while others are using our complete finished parts solution. CNC handles both. We'd like to grow this number, but only at a manageable pace so as not to overload CNC. When one of our salespeople has a customer interested in this service, he or she has Chris participate in a planning meeting so he can answer any specific machining questions or review part prints to suggest what machining work makes the most sense. The best applications are those in which the material is large and represents a significant percentage of a component's total cost, and with production volume upwards of 100 pieces, which minimizes the inherent challenges of short-run work. From time to time, Chris invites Castle sales personnel to the shop to teach them about the various machining processes his shop performs. We have also had him take part in our sales meetings, both of which help us to have a better sense and understanding of the type of work some of our customers are doing. This also gives us a better chance of selling our materials, especially when we are pitching the first step or finished part machining services CNC offers. In turn, CNC has what effectively amounts to a bonus sales team, helping them find new business, while Castle has the benefit of the addition of a machining expert to our sales force. We see this as a win-win toolbox solution.